As a former tradie, I know one of the biggest challenges you might face is the things you can't control, like the rising cost of living. That's why we spoke to homeowners around the country to find out what home improvement jobs they'll be looking to do this year and how you can use this info to win more work. With Aussie homeowners keeping an eye on costs, 30% are pressing pause on major reno projects this year. On the flip side, 77% are considering home maintenance and repairs. To make the most of this trend, it's the ideal time to make sure you showcase a whole range of your maintenance and repair work on your hipages profile, website, and social channels, so you've got more chance of winning. Check in with your clients about a week after you've completed the job and ask them how any repairs are holding up and if there have been any other issues. And remember, people talk, and more than 70% of the customers share positive experiences with friends and family. So delivering a top-notch customer experience across jobs big and small will put you in front.